Hello everyone, this is your weather on the fly outlook and discussion for Wednesday, February 19th, 2025. Update concerning convective outlook days 4 to 8. Valid for Saturday, February 22nd through Wednesday, February 26th, 2025. Persistent surface high pressure across portions of the southeast and Gulf Coast regions will result in a dearth of boundary layer moisture through at least Monday. This will preclude much potential for thunderstorms. By the end of the period, around Tuesday and Wednesday, an upper ridge over the western U.S. will weaken as it shifts east toward the plains, owing to an upper shortwave trough developing southeast across the Rockies. This will result in low development across the southern plains. Forecast guidance is in fairly good agreement even at this extended range that a surface low will move from the southern plains to the mid-south vicinity. In response, southerly low-level flow across the western Gulf will transport modest moisture northward ahead of a cold front from the Arctics into the deep south by Wednesday. While severe potential appears limited by weak moisture return, thunderstorm potential is likely to increase late Tuesday into Wednesday. Be sure to share, like and subscribe for the latest Storm Prediction Center outlooks.